08 BMW 335xi, which we will be changing the rear shocks. With the trunk open, we have to remove this paneling, which this car have the quick release pins. One right there, one's missing there. One right there, two, and one right there. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, and then you take out the little plate, removing the top cover, which cover up your wheel, makes it much easier to pull it out. All right, flathead screwdriver, work it up in there, pull out the first tab, and it comes out. You're also gonna have to remove this star bolt, which is a T30. Okay, start from this corner, bend it in, get it out the sleeve, and start working your way to the top. And then once you get here, you just pull it in and pull it to you just to get it out. So now it's time to remove the cover. Okay, with the cover removed, here's your top shock rubber. And there go your bolt. To remove the bolt, I'm using a 6mm and a 16 crescent. If you just try to use your 16mm to take the bolt off, it ain't gonna do nothing but spin. So you need the 6mm to hold it into place. Okay, I got the nut broke free. And as you see, the upper shock mount come off of it. And that's what it looked like when it's in there. That's a rubber boot on the other side. So next step is to take off the wheel. The bolt side to take the wheel off is a 17mm. Now it's time to remove the underbolt, which that's it right there, which is a 17mm. And up top at the bottom of the strut, you have a hold 15mm while you turn that 17 to get it out. Okay, now I have the bolt removed. You go to the top of the shock and you can press it down. And then you lift it up. So as you see, you got a inner boot, and then you have your metal plating, and then you have the guard, which we're changing all of that. And as you see, it didn't spring back up. And then on the bottom down there, you see that rubber boot, just pull it straight up. For me to get it out, I had to wiggle on it side to side as I pull. And as we see, there's no rubber bushings or anything at the bottom. Always make sure you check to see what's on there so you can put everything back. And right here goes some rubber that's broke. As you see, it's on the top right there. And that's a rubber boot. See if I can get my hand out, move it. But right here is a rubber boot as well. So now that I wiggled it free, it comes straight out. Now that I got the shock out, I'm looking at everything. And right here, the bottom boot, as you can see, is really bad. So now I'm about to change that, which there's nothing but 2 bolts right there. And put the new one in right here. There'll go the first one, and then on the side there'll go the second one. 10mm on there, and a little elbow grease. Get that out. Now to remove the rubber boot, take your flathead screwdriver, go from up under the bottom, and you basically push it out on an angle. And that's how you get the boot out.